Hey you guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to walk you guys through this particular eye makeup look where I have created like a purple cut crease eye with some red, orange and yellow colors, and this is like the theme and the basis of this particular eye makeup look. Yeah, this is a cut crease look, and if you want to know how I achieve this particular base makeup routine, please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @polumi and scroll me, and from there you can check out this entire base makeup routine. So yeah, without any more further ado, let's dive into the video. So now, as you can already see that I'm totally done with my base, I quickly go ahead and start with my eye makeup. And the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some concealer, and for my concealer today I'm going to take my PAC Spotlight Ready concealer, which is this one, and it is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. It is from the brand PAC, and I just love using this one. And I am just going to take it onto a flat brush like this, and taking the concealer directly on my eyelids, I am just going to pat it with this particular brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the brush and I'm just going to pat it with the flat side of the brush, and I'm just going to now taking some loose powder from my K Beauty HD translucent loose powder. It is in the shade white, and taking this powder over here, I'm just going to take my beauty sponge, that is a Sigma 3D HD blender, which is this one, and I'm just going to set the base. That is something I love doing, and I have always been doing this. I know a lot of people do not like setting their base, but that's just me, and I love setting my base, and that is I am comfortable with setting my base, so I do this. If you are not, then don't need to set your base. So yeah, what you are comfortable with, do that only. You don't need to do whatever exactly what I'm doing. So yeah. So now at this point, when I'm done with my eyelid base preparation, I'm just going to go and start with my colors. So now at this point, I'm just going to take my favorite palette, which is my James Charles Artistry palette, which is this one, the Morphe X James Charles palette. And taking this particular palette over here, I'm just going to dig into the very first color. And the very first color which I'm going to choose from this particular palette is definitely going to be, like this dark purple color over here. And taking this dark purple color, I'm just going to put it onto my eyes. So now taking my brush and dipping it into the palette slightly and dusting off the excess, I am just going to put it onto my left eye. So I'm just going to pat the color. So taking the color again, I'm just patting the color onto my crease. I'm not blending at this point. I'm just placing the color or patting the color, as you can see. I just want to intensify this color a little bit more, so I am just going to place another layer of color so that I get the intensified look over here. So now at this point, when I'm happy with the intensity of the purple color, I know I'm looking a little bit weird right now, but be with me. I'm just going to go ahead with another color. And for the other color, the color that I'm going to choose is going to be this a dark pink color over here, which is this one. I'm taking this color onto the same brush. I'm just going to do the same technique. I'm just patting the shade onto this area of my eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done with that pink shade, I'm just going to go towards another color. Third color is again going to be from my James Charles palette itself, and that is going to be this burnt orangey color over here. Now taking the color onto the same brush, I am just going to pat it just above that pink shade. So now at this point, when I'm done with that burnt orange shade from my James Charles palette, I'm just going to go and take this beautiful yellow color over here, and taking this yellow color over here onto a brush like this, I am just going to give everything a final blend, and I'm just going to place the blending onto like this area, like towards the total outer edges of my eyeshadows, because that is going to be the final blending and the final color which I'm going to place on my eyelids. So now at this point, when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to go and cut my crease. So to cut my crease, I'm just going to use my all-time favorite PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is this one, and it is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, and I'm just going to cut my crease using this particular product. But before cutting my crease, today I'm going to clean my cut crease using my L'Oreal Eye Makeup Remover, which is this one, and I'm just taking it onto a cotton bud like this, and taking this onto my cotton bud, I'm just going to clean my cut crease, and then I'm just going to cut my crease. Okay. So now at this point, when I have cleaned my base with the eye makeup remover, I'm just going to take some concealer onto the back of my hand, and I'm just going to cut my crease. So now at this point, when I'm done with that cut crease, I'm just going to go back towards the darkest color which I used for this particular look, and that color is this one, and taking this color, dark purple color over here, I am just going to place this shadow onto the outer corners of my eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done with that dark purple color, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go towards this light pink color over here, which is this one, and taking this color onto the same brush, and I'm just going to place this just where my purple is ending and my cut crease is starting. So I'm just going to blend that area with this pink shade. So now at this point, when I am actually towards the end of this tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to decorate my cut crease, and to decorate my cut crease, I'm just going to take my Oh Honey palette from Colourpop Cosmetics, and taking this palette over here, I'm just going to use this beautiful color over here called Dandy, which is this one, and taking this color, I'm just going to put it onto the area where I have cut my crease and it's still left and without any color. Now taking this particular palette and taking this palette, I'm just going to take this color slightly, very slightly, taking this color over here. Now going back towards the dark purple shade, and I'm just going to fill this in a corner, and going back and forth, I'm just going to adjust both the eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done with all the shades of my upper lid, I'm just going to go and do my lower lash line. And to do my lower lash line, first I'm going to start with this dark purple color over here, and when I will be done with this one, I'll go ahead with this one, and then at last I will be taking the yellow one. Just as the order I did my eyelid, I'm just going to do my lower lash line just like that. So now at this point, when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to coat my lashes with some mascara. And for my mascara, now I'm going to use my NYX What the Hype mascara, which is this one. So I'm just going to use this one on my falsies, and I'm generously coating all my lashes. So now at this point, when I'm done with that mascara, I'm just going to go behind the camera and put on some falsies, and I will be right back. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies, and for my falsies today I'm wearing my PAC M74 lashes, which were this one. So yeah, I just popped them on, and on my lips I'm wearing my K Beauty lip crayon, which is this one. It is in the shade Entourage. So I'm just wearing this beautiful pink shade on my lips, which is just matching the vibe of my eye look. So yeah, this is my complete look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.